Although you're probably familiar with emojis, they're far from the only way to send reactions on any chat app you might have. Stickers, for example, allow you to express yourself in unique ways, often featuring fun animations or moods that emojis just can't capture. WeChat has its own sticker gallery, where you can download sticker packs for free to use in conversations with your friends. But if you're feeling creative, you can even make your own original sticker pack. Here's how to do it. You can find your sticker collection in WeChat next to the heart icon on the selection bar, alongside your emojis, GIFs, and other media options. While we'll get to the sticker store in a moment, it's worth noting that adding a sticker a friend sent you to your collection is even easier than you might imagine. Just press and hold that sticker and select Add from the pop-up menu to add it to your collection. Just keep in mind that this only adds that specific sticker to your collection. To view and add the entire collection, you'll need to select Collections from the pop-up menu instead. But okay, if you'd rather add your own stickers, you'll need to turn to the WeChat sticker store, where you can find tons of options to pick from. Tap on the Me icon in the bottom right of your screen, then select Sticker Gallery to enter the store. Once you've found a sticker pack in the store, just tap the Add button next to each listing. Of course, you aren't just limited to the sticker store. While it takes some effort, making your own stickers for WeChat allows you to show off your art skills and customize your chats as much as you'd like. The easiest way to add your own stickers is to convert a GIF into a WeChat sticker. Make sure your GIF is less than 500 kilobytes in size, then head to the sticker gallery. Tap on the gear icon in the upper right corner, then select Custom Stickers. Tap on the plus icon, select your GIF, and tap on the Use button in the upper right corner to add it. If you need to resize your GIFs to make them smaller than 500 kilobytes, GIFmaker is a useful site for resizing them. All you have to do is upload your GIF, select any size, and hit the Resize GIF button. If you like this guide, make sure you subscribe for all sorts of videos covering WeChat and other technology. And don't forget to check out one of these videos. We think you might enjoy.